Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to erase data from your MacBook Air. First, ensure all your important files are backed up. Use an external drive or a cloud service like iCloud to save everything you want to keep. Next, sign out of all your accounts, including your Apple ID, iCloud, and any messaging apps. Finally, unpair any Bluetooth devices connected to your Mac. These crucial steps prepare your device for a complete data wipe. To begin the erasing process, restart your MacBook Air and immediately hold down the Command and R keys. This will take you to macOS Recovery. From the Utilities window, select Disk Utility. Choose your main internal drive, typically named Macintosh HD, and click Erase. Make sure to select Apps as the Format and GUID partition map as the scheme for a thorough wipe. This step is vital for data security. Once your drive is erased, return to the macOS Utilities window. Now, select Reinstall macOS to put a fresh operating system back on your MacBook Air. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. Ensure your device has a stable internet connection throughout this process. The installation can take approximately 30 minutes to 1 hour, depending on your internet speed and model. Be patient as it completes. After macOS has successfully reinstalled, do not proceed with the setup. Instead, when you see the welcome screen, press Command and Q to shut down your MacBook Air. This leaves the device in a factory-fresh state, ready for a new owner to personalize it from scratch. This final step ensures no personal information remains and the Mac is prepared for its next chapter.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.